Hi friends, weight loss everywhere. I also was searching in Google and all the available sources how to do weight loss. So let me just tell you, I got this excellent product and I'm using for around 15 days now, and I've lost 2 kgs approximately, and I am going to use again this product. So I'll tell you about this product and how I got it. And after this is by Oriflame and it's a NutriShake. This has 3 flavors in it. I got natural banana and mango flavor, and it has 2 more flavors in it. One is strawberry flavor, and one more is vanilla flavor in it. Okay, so there are 3 flavors in it. How to use? Let me tell you. This is a whole of 500 grams product, and you will get. I stored it in one box. And how to use it? It has you have to take 1 scoop of powder, say 18 grams. Say this big scoop will be around 18 grams. So take 1 scoop of powder and mix it in glass with 150 ml of water, with cold water, and you can blend it using a blender, or else you can keep it in mixie, and like 20 minutes 20 seconds you can just grind it and you can drink. It's a fabulous nutri shake, and it tastes also very good since I got mango and banana flavor. So let me talk about what are the ingredients in it. It is coming from Sweden product, international product, and it has only sources of protein and fiber in it, and it has no artificial sweetener or something, no sugar in it. And let me check what and all is in this. So NutriShake contains high protein and high fiber formula, contain proteins from 3 sources. So which are the 3 processes? Pea protein, sweet whey powder, and apple powder. So this instructions also it has given 18 grams with NutriShake powder with cold water, and you will get a amazing shake. Okay, so let's see how it will reduce weight. So this has majorly all proteins in it. So the sugar carving will be there with all of them, like all of us how to eat. I know always we want to eat something, charts and all. But when you take this powder weekly, no, daily twice, you will not feel any carving to eat any junk food or extra foods apart from your regular 3 days meals. So when you take this as a snack, it'll be as a snack, and like 11 o'clock you can take in the morning, and evening 7 o'clock you can take twice. So whoever is having overweight can take two times in a day. Whoever having less weight, like post pregnancy loss, you can take only once in a day. You will start feeling from the day one. You will see like you will not be eating anything extra. Okay, by that you will be reducing weight, and it has only protein, and it is equal to 67 grams of like calories. Only 67 grams is there in this. Okay, so you can have a try, and in the description below I have wrote like what and all how you can buy this product. You can click the link and you will get, actually a discount is running in this product right now, so you can take this from that link. You can order this item. You can also try this, and you can tell me how it is, and you can tell me the reviews. Even I am going to try the other 2 flavors, like strawberry and vanilla in this. The So you try. This is a nice company, just check. You also try, and do comment below your benefits, and you can also share about this excellent drink and reduce the weight.